welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for December month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 555 rupees. Plus they have some additional products. So if you want to add them, you can just add them and you just have to pay some extra money for that. Of course, I will be mentioning the link in the description box. So yeah, go to their website and check all the offers. Plus, they have longer subscriptions as well. And now let's come back to this one. I have the regular one. So this time I have this portly bag because generally I get that zipper pouch. But this time I have this blue and white color portly bag. You can just see this is how it looks. Velvet portly bag. Now let's start with the products. So the first one is by Nykaa USA and this is the Velvet Touch Lip Shade. And the price for this one is 240 rupees. 240. And I've got the shade 10. Let me just open it and show you. So this is how it looks. So it's packed. I have to open it. Just give me one moment and I will just open it and show you the shade from inside. That's how it looks. Okay. So it's purple in color. I'm not really a big fan of purple. I mean, I can't wear purple on daily basis. So I prefer pink shades. But yes, it's a beautiful shade for a party or you can say special occasions. And purple is like really in. So yes, I like it. And it's not a very dark purple. It's like a beautiful purple. So yes, I like it. I'm sure I'm going to use it. 240 is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Bunosh, if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so this is Buff It Off and this is a coffee and oatmeal scrub for face and body. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 160 rupees. For 50 gram, the manufacture of November 2019, best before November 2021. And it says powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ideal for your skin problem. This scrub leaves a protective layer to prevent harmful damage from UV rays and will help to normalize your skin pH level and relieve soft, hydrated, silky, smooth skin. Contains French vanilla, brown sugar and coconut oil. It says get rid of your dry and dead skin cells. The coffee is the formula to fill it with antibacterial properties. Raw sugar explorates and oat will hydrate and moisturize. So yes, overall looks nice. Moving on to the next one. The next one is from Monsub and yeah, I like Monsub's facial mask. So this is the one, face sheet mask. And this one is the avocado and nourishing and tendering facial mask sheet mask. Mask sheet it says. Okay. So it's a sheet mask. The price for this one is 200 rupees. And yes, it looks really nice. You can just see the packing has avocado overall. So yes, I like it. And of course, very useful product. I will be using it for sure. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one are designer earrings. And these are random, but let me tell you, these are very beautiful. I love them. The price for this one is 200 rupees. And let me just wear it. It looks so pretty, very pretty. So this is how they look. Wow, really pretty. I will be wearing them both because right now I'm not wearing anything in my ears, so you can just see beautiful earrings. And yes, I'm happy. And the last one is the Lady Raga vanity bag, which I've already showed you. So yeah, that's all what I've received in my December edition of Lady Raga. And if you ask me, I love the earrings. I love the sheet mask because I know I will be using it. Then the lipstick is nice because the shade is nice. So yes, I like it. And then Nykaa USA is a decent brand. And then this coffee and oatmeal scrub. Yes, I'm quite sure that I will be using this one. So yes, overall, happy with this one. I will be mentioning everything in the description box and I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.